Hey, let me show you the best features of the camera on the POCO X6. And first we are going to start from the photo mode. When you are here, just click on the photo mode. And now when you want to smoothly zoom in or zoom out, you've got actually two methods. The first one, you can click and hold on already selected preset. And now you will unlock this wheel and you can move your finger to the right or to the left side. And you can also switch between the lenses. So as you can see, we can actually zoom in into the 10 times. And the second way to zoom in is to use the volume buttons, but we'll have to actually change the function of them by clicking right here, going to the settings, then scroll down, select the volume buttons function and select zoom. Now when you click and hold the volume up button, you can smoothly zoom in and smoothly zoom out. For me, this volume buttons method actually works the best. Next, when you click on the screen, you can also adjust the zoom feature, the brightness, by moving this icon up and down. You can also do this automatically by clicking on the screen once. Next, when you click on this icon, you can also enable some filters. So as you can see, it is actually changing the color and the temperature. And we can actually find a lot of different filters. Even we can find the black and white. If you want to turn it off, you'll have to go for the normal one. Next, when you click on this arrow, you can open a list of a lot of different options. The first one that is very useful is actually the voice shutter. Now when you say cheese, the photo will be taken. The next very useful option is the timed burst. When you click on it once and then tap on this small arrow, you can actually select the number of the photos. So let's say that we want to take 10 photos and each photo will be taken after 1 second. So now click on the shutter and we can find 1 second countdown and number of the photos that our smartphone just take. So it's useful for some group photos. You don't even have to press on the shutter multiple times. You can set it up, click once and your smartphone will take the number of the photos that you actually set. Next, when we access into the settings, we can find other useful options. For example, we can enable function tap to take the photo. And now when I click on the screen once, the smartphone is going to automatically adjust the brightness level, contrast, saturation, and also focus. Next, when you go back into the settings, we can also enable another option and it will be visible just right here. That's the shot with the screen off. So when you are recording some time-lapse videos or very long videos, to reduce the power consumption, it's actually recommended to turn it on because our smartphone after 3 minutes will actually turn off the screen. So you will save some battery. Next, when you go into the video mode, I can recommend you to enable the 60 frames per second for the full HD, or if you want to record videos with the higher resolution, enable 4K. Next, when you go for the more modes, you can also use the 64 megapixel mode, and thanks to this mode you will actually get the best quality of the photos. So now take a look how close we can zoom in and how many details we can find. So for example, on this Dumbledore we can find some painting marks, especially right here, or for example just right here. And next, when we go back and open other modes, like for example the slow motion, you can record slow motion in the HD resolution in the 120 frames, but also you can use them in the 240 frames per second. And also we can record the slow motion in the full HD resolution. And there is like another very useful option that's called the short film. So in this mode, we'll actually get some different presets where we can find music, automatic transitions, and all we have to do is just to hold our smartphone like this and just recording stuff around us, and after this smartphone is going to automatically put all of this 9 videos into one with these transitions and this music, and it looks really nice. And when you click on the right upper corner, you can actually take how it looks. That's actually the preview of this mode. So yeah, that's all. That's the best for me. That's the best features and functions for the camera on the POCO X6 right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.